Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll start by getting the essentials done fast. Pick a friendly username and turn on contacts access so Snapchat can suggest people. Once done, scan a snap code or search names to add 5-10 people you already know. This jumpstarts your feed and story views. Make sure to set a simple display name so they recognize you immediately. Doing these steps first gives you a visible presence in friend lists, which encourages quick replies and mutual adds. Now focus on content that converts viewers into friends. Post daily stories showing a real moment, one quick video or a photo with a caption, and use a poll or question sticker to prompt replies. Then send targeted snaps to new contacts, a personalized image or short voice note that references a shared context. Make sure to use lenses, Bitmoji, and location tags to add personality. Those features increase replies because they lower friction and make interactions feel playful and immediate. Finish by turning casual interactions into friendships. Follow up on story replies, react often, and selectively keep streaks that matter. Once you have rapport, move to private chat to plan a hangout or collaborate on content. This deepens connection faster than stories alone. If people aren't responding, check privacy and notification settings, change posting times, or simplify your captions so viewers know how to reply. One troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.